It will be important to follow what General Masimula has said as your obligations through the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa. More than anything, the inhabitants, both South Africans and our guests and visitors, will have to be safe as they've been safe since the week started. This place was handed over to the Parliament on the 1st of February, and the Parliament handed it over to the South African police for its safety. Therefore, it remains your obligation with your colleagues, all men and women in blue and all men and women in brown, that you will walk in unison to protect and serve, to make sure that people of South Africa that will be here, as they are here now, are safe and protected and feel safe.